Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hi everyone, you are all welcome back. Today we are making authentic bitterleaf soup, aka Ofe Onugbo. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Chinwe. You are highly welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. So without wasting time, let's get started. Over here, I have my assorted meat. I have gone ahead to wash it and I'm going to add it to my cooking pot and season with salt and seasoning cube. I'm not going to be adding onion because bitter leaf and onion are not friends. When making onugbu soup, it's good to skip onion. So that is it.
Darkness music. Let's go. Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
The meat has been cooking for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Here are the other ingredients for this recipe: stockfish, dry fish, seasoning cube, Ogiri Igbo, scotch bonnet pepper, bitter leaf well washed, cocoyam, palm oil, and crayfish.
This food is yummy, yummy.
Next, I'm going to wash the stockfish and add it to my pot as well as the dry fish. Feel free to check all the ingredients in the description box. As you can see, there is no too much water in this pot because I'm going to be blending my cocoyam with water. So I am so mindful on how I add water. At this point, I'm going to cover and then wash my cocoyam and cook. I'm going to cover it to cook. The cocoyam is done. I'm going to run cold water on it and peel it. Once I'm done peeling, I'm going to use my blender to blend. If you have mortar, you can use mortar to pound it. I'm going to blend it in 2 batches. As you can see, I don't have enough water in here because I am using water to blend my cocoyam. That way, you will be able to control the quantity of water you want for your soup. So I'm going to add the blended cocoyam right now. I'm going to go ahead and blend the rest. Going to rinse and then add my red oil, adding the red oil, crayfish, scotch bonnet pepper, Ogiri Igbo. At this point, I'm going to add the bitter leaf.
Delicious.
So at this point, I'm going to cover it to cook on a high heat. Okay, my lovely people, this is how our soup is looking. Look at that. Everything is well combined and the consistency is perfect. So at this point, I'm going to add my seasoning cube and the salt. Mix thoroughly and simmer for more 5 minutes. Look at that. This is authentic bitter leaf soup. No fresh fish, beef, stockfish, and the dry fish. No fresh fish in this ofe onugbo. This is authentic bitter leaf soup. This is the right consistency. I don't like it watery. This is the right consistency for me. Look at that. So I'm going to taste for salt right now. Everything is perfect. I'm going to simmer for more 5 minutes and yeah, our soup is almost ready. Okay guys, our soup is ready. Look at that. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye guys.